Are you tired of using flimsy cookware that just doesn't cut it when it comes to cooking your favorite stir-fries, braises, or deep-fried dishes? Do you want a wok that is durable, versatile, and performs well on any stovetop? If so, this Leidawn 12-inch carbon steel wok, with its impressive set of accessories, might be the cookware upgrade you've been looking for. This 11-piece wok set is more than just a wok. It's a complete cooking solution, offering not only a high-performance carbon steel wok, but also essential tools that every home cook needs. The set includes everything from a slotted turner to a wok ring, making it an incredible value. But the real question is, does it live up to the hype? The Leidawn 12.8-inch carbon steel wok comes with everything you need to start cooking like a pro. The set includes the wok itself, a wooden lid, and 10 essential cookware accessories. From spatulas to a wok brush, these accessories ensure that you have the right tools for all your cooking needs. Key features and benefits. 1. Honeycomb carbon steel design for durability and performance. One of the standout features of the Leidawn Wok is its honeycomb carbon steel construction. This design reduces food sticking, maintains the wok's surface, and prevents scratches. The carbon steel is known for its durability, and unlike non-stick pans, it's free from harmful chemicals, offering peace of mind during your cooking. This wok can handle high heat and retains that heat evenly across the entire cooking surface, making it ideal for stir-frying and other high-heat cooking techniques. 2. Pre-seasoned for immediate use. The Leidawn Wok is pre-seasoned at the factory, so you don't need to worry about the hassle of seasoning it yourself before use. Just wash it and start cooking. It's a great time saver for anyone who wants to jump right into their cooking without any delays. 3. Versatile cooking with multiple techniques. This wok is not just for stir-frying. The flat base ensures it sits securely on electric, induction, and gas stoves. It can handle a wide variety of cooking methods, from braising and boiling to deep frying and pan frying. If you enjoy cooking a variety of dishes, this wok can do it all. Plus, the wooden lid makes steaming easy and helps to lock in flavors while cooking. 4. Safe and tough construction. The wok has been subjected to several safety tests and is built to withstand high temperatures without damage. The flat base ensures the wok sits securely on any stovetop, which makes it more stable while cooking. It's also resistant to rust, thanks to nitriding craftsmanship, making it more durable than coated pans. 5. Complete set with essential accessories. Not only do you get a premium wok, but the 11-piece set includes all the accessories you need to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. The wok ring ensures proper heat distribution and stability, while the wok brush helps maintain the wok's surface. The variety of spoons, spatulas, and whisks make it easy to handle your food, while the ladle and skimmer make serving and removing food from the pan a breeze. Performance review. The Leidawn 12.8-inch carbon steel wok performs beautifully on all types of heat sources, including induction, gas, and electric stoves. Whether you're cooking crispy stir-fries, braising meats, or deep frying, the wok's even heat distribution ensures perfect cooking results every time. Heat control. The wok responds quickly to heat changes, which is especially important for stir-frying. You can easily adjust the heat to match the dish you're preparing. Non-stick surface. Thanks to the honeycomb design and pre-seasoning, food doesn't stick as easily to the surface. Even sticky sauces slide off without hassle. Even cooking. The flat bottom ensures that the wok sits evenly on any stovetop, preventing food from burning on one side while undercooking on the other. Versatility. The wok excels at multiple cooking methods. Whether you're pan-frying vegetables, searing meat, or preparing a soup, this wok delivers excellent results. Conclusion. This Leidawn 12.8-inch carbon steel wok is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. It's an all-in-one cooking solution that offers outstanding performance, durability, and versatility. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned chef, this wok can handle a variety of cooking methods with ease. The 11-piece accessory set ensures that you have the tools you need to get the job done right, while the pre-seasoned carbon steel gives you a high-quality, chemical-free cooking experience. If you're looking for a wok that will stand the test of time, withstand high heat, and provide excellent cooking results, the Leidawn Carbon Steel Wok is the perfect choice. It's affordable, high-performing, and backed by a thoughtful design. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding the whole family, this wok set has you covered. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.